Interplanetary travel has long been a dream of humanity, inspiring generations of scientists, engineers, and visionaries. As our technological capabilities advance, the prospect of exploring and even colonizing other planets becomes increasingly feasible. The journey to other worlds involves overcoming significant challenges, from the vast distances between celestial bodies to the harsh environments of space. The most immediate candidate for human exploration beyond Earth is Mars. Often referred to as the Red Planet, Mars offers a relatively close destination with conditions that, while harsh, are not entirely inhospitable. Robotic missions have already provided invaluable data about the planet's surface, atmosphere, and potential for hosting life. Future crewed missions will rely on innovations in spacecraft design, propulsion systems, and life support technologies. Additionally, the psychological and physical health of astronauts will be a critical factor, given the extended duration of interplanetary missions. Beyond Mars, destinations such as the moons of Jupiter and Saturn hold great promise for exploration. Europa, with its subsurface ocean, and Titan, with its thick atmosphere, are of particular interest for astrobiology. However, these locations present even greater logistical and technological challenges. Radiation exposure, extreme temperatures, and the need for advanced propulsion systems to cover the immense distances involved all require solutions that are still in development. Interplanetary travel also raises important questions about ethics and sustainability. How should humanity approach the potential colonization of other planets? What steps can be taken to ensure that we do not harm extraterrestrial ecosystems, should they exist? The principles of planetary protection aim to balance the drive for exploration with the responsibility to preserve the natural state of other worlds. Despite the challenges, the potential benefits of interplanetary travel are immense. It offers opportunities for scientific discovery, the expansion of human civilization, and the diversification of resources and habitats. Moreover, it serves as a unifying goal for humanity, fostering international collaboration and inspiring a sense of shared purpose. The road to interplanetary travel is long and fraught with obstacles, but the rewards are equally profound. As we take our first steps beyond the confines of Earth, we embark on a journey that not only advances our understanding of the universe, but also redefines our place within it. Interplanetary travel has long been a dream of humanity, capturing the imagination of scientists, writers, and adventurers alike. As technology advances, the idea of venturing beyond Earth to explore other planets becomes increasingly feasible. The possibilities and challenges associated with such missions reveal the immense complexity and potential of this endeavor. One of the primary motivations for interplanetary travel is the desire to expand human presence beyond Earth. With concerns about overpopulation, resource depletion, and potential global catastrophes, establishing colonies on other planets could provide humanity with a backup plan. Mars, often considered the most likely candidate for colonization, offers a relatively hospitable environment compared to other planets in our solar system. Its proximity to Earth and the presence of water ice make it an attractive target for future missions. Another driving force behind interplanetary exploration is the pursuit of scientific knowledge. Studying other planets can provide insights into the origins of our solar system, the conditions necessary for life, and the potential for extraterrestrial existence. By sending robotic probes and eventually human explorers to other worlds, we can gather data that deepens our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Despite the allure of interplanetary travel, the challenges are formidable. The vast distances between planets require advanced propulsion systems capable of reducing travel time while ensuring the safety of passengers and equipment. Radiation exposure is another significant concern, as the lack of Earth's protective atmosphere and magnetic field leaves astronauts vulnerable to harmful cosmic rays. Developing effective shielding and medical countermeasures is essential for the success of long-duration missions. Additionally, the psychological and physical effects of extended space travel must be addressed. Astronauts on interplanetary missions will face isolation, confinement, and limited social interaction for months or even years. Ensuring their mental well-being and maintaining physical health in a microgravity environment are critical considerations for mission planners. Interplanetary travel also raises important ethical and philosophical questions. How should humanity approach the potential colonization of other worlds? What responsibilities do we have to preserve extraterrestrial environments? These issues demand careful thought and international cooperation to ensure that our actions reflect the best of human values. As we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, the dream of interplanetary travel inspires hope and ambition. By overcoming the technical, biological, and ethical challenges, humanity can embark on journeys that expand our horizons and redefine what is possible. The path to the stars is a testament to our curiosity, ingenuity, and determination to explore the unknown. Interplanetary travel, once a concept confined to the realms of science fiction, is now edging closer to becoming a reality. The prospect of humans venturing beyond Earth to explore other planets represents a profound leap in our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Over the past decades, advancements in space exploration technologies have paved the way for ambitious projects aimed at colonizing other celestial bodies, with Mars being a primary target. The first significant challenge of interplanetary travel lies in the immense distances between planets. Even Mars, our nearest neighbor, is an average of 225 million kilometers away from Earth. This necessitates spacecraft capable of sustaining life for months or even years, as well as advanced propulsion systems to reduce travel time. Current research is exploring nuclear propulsion and ion thrusters as potential solutions to this challenge. Another critical factor is the need for self-sustaining life support systems. On a journey lasting several months, astronauts must have access to food, water, and oxygen, all of which require innovative recycling systems. Technologies like hydroponic farming and water recovery systems are being developed to ensure long-term survival in space. Radiation exposure poses a significant risk during interplanetary travel. Spacecraft traveling beyond Earth's magnetic field are exposed to cosmic rays and solar radiation, which can have harmful effects on human health. Scientists are working on advanced shielding materials and protective measures to mitigate these risks. Once on another planet, humans will face additional challenges. On Mars, for instance, the thin atmosphere and lack of a global magnetic field expose the surface to high levels of radiation. Additionally, the reduced gravity on Mars, which is about 38% that of Earth's, could have long-term effects on the human body, including muscle atrophy and bone loss. Despite these obstacles, interplanetary travel holds immense potential for humanity. It could offer solutions to overpopulation and resource scarcity on Earth, while fostering international cooperation and technological innovation. Moreover, the pursuit of such ventures inspires a sense of wonder and curiosity, reminding us of our innate desire to explore the unknown. In conclusion, While interplanetary travel presents significant technical and physiological challenges, it also offers unprecedented opportunities for growth and discovery. As we stand on the brink of becoming an interplanetary species, the efforts of scientists, engineers, and visionaries around the globe are bringing us closer to realizing this extraordinary dream. Interplanetary travel represents one of humanity's most ambitious endeavors, pushing the boundaries of science, engineering, and imagination. It involves traveling beyond Earth's orbit to other planets within our solar system, such as Mars, or even venturing toward distant celestial bodies. This concept has captivated human curiosity for centuries, inspiring both scientific research and creative visions of the future. The challenges of interplanetary travel are immense. The vast distances between planets mean that missions require advanced propulsion systems, efficient energy sources, and sustainable life support technologies. For instance, a journey to Mars, the most likely candidate for human exploration, takes several months under current technology. During this time, astronauts would face numerous obstacles, including exposure to cosmic radiation, the effects of prolonged microgravity, and the psychological impact of isolation. Developing the necessary technologies for interplanetary missions is an ongoing process. Space agencies like NASA, ESA, and private companies such as Space are investing heavily in innovations like reusable rockets, modular habitats, and advanced navigation systems. These developments aim to make space travel safer, more efficient, and ultimately more accessible. Interplanetary travel holds enormous potential benefits. Exploring other planets could provide valuable scientific knowledge about the origins of our solar system, the potential for extraterrestrial life, and solutions to Earth-bound problems. Additionally, it offers a vision of humanity's future as a multi-planetary species, reducing reliance on a single planet in the face of potential global catastrophes. As we stand on the brink of a new era of exploration, interplanetary travel is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. The dreams of reaching other planets are gradually transforming into achievable goals, driven by human ingenuity and an enduring desire to understand the cosmos. While the road ahead is fraught with difficulties, the potential rewards make the journey worthwhile, embodying humanity's relentless pursuit of discovery and survival. The prospect of interplanetary travel also raises profound questions about humanity's role in the universe and our ethical responsibilities. As we prepare to set foot on other planets, we must consider the impact of our presence on extraterrestrial environments. Will our exploration lead to the contamination of pristine ecosystems, potentially erasing evidence of alien life before it is even discovered? Or can we develop sustainable practices that allow us to explore without destroying? Moreover, interplanetary travel challenges us to rethink the concept of home. For millennia, Earth has been humanity's only sanctuary, shaping our cultures, beliefs, and survival strategies. Venturing beyond our planet forces us to consider how we might create new societies in entirely different conditions. Questions about governance, resource distribution, and community in these uncharted worlds will need to be addressed long before we establish permanent colonies. Beyond the technical and ethical concerns, interplanetary travel inspires a sense of unity. The effort required to send humans to another planet demands collaboration on a global scale, transcending national borders and political divisions. The Apollo program, which brought humanity to the moon, demonstrated how exploration can unite people under a shared purpose. Similarly, the journey to other planets could foster a collective identity as citizens of Earth, working together to achieve what was once thought impossible. Looking further into the future, interplanetary travel could serve as a stepping stone toward interstellar exploration. If humanity succeeds in reaching and colonizing planets within our solar system, it could provide the knowledge and resources needed to tackle even greater distances. This would open the door to entirely new possibilities, such as discovering habitable planets beyond our solar system and potentially encountering other intelligent civilizations. In the grand scheme of human history, interplanetary travel represents a natural progression of exploration. Just as our ancestors crossed oceans and mapped continents, the stars beckon us to expand our horizons and seek out the unknown. It is a journey fraught with risks, but it also holds the promise of extraordinary rewards. New worlds to explore, new knowledge to uncover, and perhaps a new chapter in the story of humanity. As interplanetary travel becomes a tangible goal, the role of education and public engagement grows increasingly important. The success of such endeavors depends not only on scientists and engineers, but also on widespread support and understanding among the global population. Inspiring younger generations through science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM, education is critical for building the workforce of the future. These young minds will be the ones to innovate new solutions and carry humanity's ambitions into the cosmos. Cultural and artistic expressions also play a significant role in shaping our vision of interplanetary travel. From literature and film to visual arts and music, creative interpretations of space exploration ignite curiosity and spark conversations about the future. These narratives help us grapple with the philosophical implications of leaving our home planet, addressing questions of identity, purpose, and connection in the context of vast, unfamiliar frontiers. One of the most intriguing aspects of interplanetary travel is its potential to reveal more about humanity itself. As we confront challenges in space, we gain a deeper understanding of our resilience, adaptability, and creativity. The isolation of interplanetary missions mirrors broader human experiences of exploration and survival, offering insights into how we can overcome adversity both on and beyond Earth. In addition to advancing science and technology, interplanetary travel may also provide a fresh perspective on the fragility of our own planet. Seeing Earth from afar, as astronauts have described, evokes a profound sense of interconnectedness and responsibility. This overview effect has the power to shift our priorities, fostering a greater commitment to protecting our planet and addressing global issues such as climate change and resource scarcity. Ultimately, interplanetary travel is not just about reaching other worlds. It is about redefining what it means to be human. The pursuit of the unknown, the willingness to take risks, and the aspiration to expand our understanding of the universe are intrinsic to our nature. With each step forward, from landing rovers on distant planets to one day walking on their surfaces, we reaffirm our place as explorers and custodians of a shared destiny. While the timeline for achieving these goals remains uncertain, the vision of interplanetary travel continues to inspire generations. It challenges us to think beyond immediate concerns and imagine a future where humanity thrives not just on one planet, but as a species capable of navigating the infinite possibilities of space. In this journey, the limits we face are not barriers but invitations to grow, innovate, and reach for the stars. As humanity progresses toward interplanetary travel, the question of long-term sustainability becomes central to our ambitions. Establishing permanent human settlements on other planets will require mastering technologies that support self-sufficient living in harsh environments. From creating closed-loop life support systems that recycle air, water, and waste, to developing methods for growing food in extraterrestrial soil or controlled environments, these innovations will not only enable survival on other planets, but could also revolutionize life on Earth. Energy production is another critical factor for interplanetary missions. On Earth, we rely on a variety of energy sources, but on planets like Mars or the Moon, resources are limited. Harnessing solar energy, developing compact nuclear reactors, or even finding ways to use local resources through techniques like in situ resource utilization, ISRU, will be essential. ISRU, for instance, could allow us to extract oxygen from Martian soil or ice, or produce fuel from the planet's atmosphere, reducing the need to transport vast amounts of supplies from Earth. The psychological and social aspects of interplanetary travel are equally important to consider. How will individuals and teams cope with the extreme isolation, confinement, and distance from Earth? Missions lasting years could challenge even the most resilient individuals. Researchers are exploring ways to support mental health through advanced virtual reality systems, communication with loved ones, and fostering strong interpersonal dynamics among crew members. Developing strategies for maintaining a sense of purpose and connection will be vital for the success of long-term missions. Moreover, interplanetary travel will likely transform our approach to international cooperation. The enormous costs and risks associated with such ventures make collaboration between nations not only beneficial but necessary. Just as the International Space Station ISS has become a symbol of peaceful cooperation in space, future interplanetary missions could unite humanity in pursuit of a shared dream. The pooling of resources, expertise, and vision may pave the way for a new era of diplomacy and unity. The ethical considerations of interplanetary exploration will also shape its trajectory. If we discover microbial life on Mars or other celestial bodies, how will we balance the desire to explore with the responsibility to protect alien ecosystems? These questions extend to terraforming, modifying a planet's environment to make it more habitable for humans. Should we reshape other worlds to suit our needs, or preserve them as they are? The answers to these questions will define the legacy of humanity's expansion into space. In the end, interplanetary travel is not merely a technical challenge, but a profound human endeavor. It embodies our innate desire to explore, to push boundaries, and to seek answers to the greatest questions of existence. Are we alone in the universe? What is our place within it? And how far can we go? As we take our first steps toward the stars, we are not only shaping the future of exploration, but also deepening our understanding of ourselves and our shared journey as inhabitants of the cosmos. The ultimate success of interplanetary travel will depend on how well we can prepare for the unpredictable. Space exploration inherently involves risk, and while meticulous planning reduces the likelihood of failure, it cannot eliminate it entirely. From the harsh realities of extreme temperatures and radiation to the potential for mechanical failures or unforeseen medical emergencies, the unknown remains a formidable challenge. Developing robust contingency plans and cultivating a culture of resilience among space crews and mission control teams will be critical to overcoming these obstacles. At the same time, interplanetary travel may inspire humanity to redefine our relationship with technology. As artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics play an increasingly vital role in space exploration, questions arise about the balance between human presence and automated systems. Robots, for example, are already exploring the surface of Mars, gathering invaluable data and paving the way for human missions. In the future, autonomous systems could assist astronauts with tasks too dangerous or complex for humans, creating a symbiotic partnership between human ingenuity and machine precision. The prospect of interplanetary travel also opens up intriguing opportunities for economic expansion. Space mining, for instance, could unlock access to valuable resources such as rare metals found on asteroids or other planets. While this could fuel technological advancements and economic growth on Earth, it also raises concerns about the equitable distribution of these resources and the potential for exploitation of space in ways that mirror historical patterns of colonization on Earth. Establishing clear international regulations and ethical guidelines will be essential as we venture into this new frontier. Interplanetary travel could also spark cultural and philosophical revolutions. The experience of living and working on another planet, with entirely different environmental conditions and constraints, may lead to the emergence of new cultural identities and ways of thinking. Over time, colonists on Mars or other planets might develop their own traditions, languages, and philosophies, shaped by the unique challenges and opportunities of their environment. This evolution could enrich the diversity of human experience, offering fresh perspectives on life, society, and the cosmos. As we look toward the future, the dream of interplanetary travel serves as a reminder of our shared capacity for innovation and perseverance. It is a journey that will test our limits, but also redefine them, revealing what is possible when humanity unites around a common goal. Each milestone, whether it's landing humans on Mars, establishing permanent habitats, or eventually reaching the outer planets, will be a testament to our ability to adapt, learn, and thrive. In the vast expanse of the universe, interplanetary travel represents not just a step forward in exploration, but a leap toward understanding our role in the cosmos. It challenges us to imagine a future where humanity is no longer confined to Earth, but is instead an interplanetary species, exploring and inhabiting multiple worlds. While the road ahead is uncertain, it is also filled with boundless possibilities, driven by the enduring spirit of curiosity and the unyielding desire to reach for the stars. The long-term implications of interplanetary travel extend far beyond the boundaries of science and exploration. They touch on fundamental questions about survival, adaptation, and the future trajectory of humanity. As we envision a multi-planetary existence, we are forced to confront new dimensions of human identity and the enduring tension between exploration and preservation. One of the most profound impacts of interplanetary travel could be its effect on our perception of time and progress. Missions to other planets require planning and execution on a scale rarely seen in human history. Generational projects, initiatives that span decades or even centuries, may become the norm. This shift could fundamentally alter how we measure success, forcing us to prioritize long-term goals over immediate gratification. The seeds of interplanetary travel planted today may not bear fruit in our lifetimes, but they could shape the destiny of generations to come. Furthermore, the knowledge gained from interplanetary exploration will ripple across all fields of study. Astronomy, geology, biology, and even disciplines like sociology and psychology stand to benefit from the insights provided by exploring other planets. Understanding the formation and evolution of planetary systems, for example, can deepen our understanding of Earth's history and future. Similarly, The study of how humans adapt to life in space could lead to breakthroughs in medicine, nutrition, and mental health that improve life on Earth. Another intriguing prospect is the potential for interplanetary travel to reignite humanity's sense of wonder. In an era where technological advancements are often taken for granted, the sight of humans walking on Mars or constructing habitats on the Moon could inspire a global resurgence of curiosity and awe. These milestones would not only capture the imagination of billions, but also remind us of our shared capacity for achieving what once seemed impossible. However, the journey toward becoming a multi-planetary species also demands careful reflection on our responsibilities as stewards of the universe. The lessons of history caution us against repeating patterns of exploitation and disregard for the environments we inhabit. In exploring other worlds, we have a rare opportunity to approach this endeavor with a sense of humility and respect, ensuring that our presence contributes to the preservation and understanding of these alien landscapes rather than their destruction. Ultimately, interplanetary travel represents the next great chapter in humanity's story. It is a testament to our resilience, curiosity, and capacity for growth. As we gaze at the night sky, the planets we once viewed as distant points of light are now within our reach. They symbolize not only the promise of exploration, but also the enduring quest to understand our place in the cosmos. The challenges are immense, the risks significant, and the journey uncertain, but the rewards are unparalleled. Interplanetary travel offers the chance to transcend the limitations of our earthly existence, ensuring that humanity's legacy extends beyond the confines of a single world. It is not just a scientific endeavor. It is a celebration of what it means to be human, a species driven to explore, to discover, and to dream without limits. In pursuing the stars, we are ultimately finding ourselves. As humanity ventures further into interplanetary travel, the societal and cultural transformations it will bring are as significant as the technological advancements. Living on multiple planets will force us to redefine fundamental concepts like governance, citizenship, and community. What does it mean to be a citizen of Mars? Should laws be universal across planets? Or should each colony develop its own systems based on its unique environment and challenges? These questions will shape the governance models of extraterrestrial societies, potentially offering opportunities to experiment with new political, economic, and social structures. Communication between planets will also redefine how societies remain interconnected. Due to the vast distances, communication delays could range from minutes to hours, depending on the planetary alignment. This lag will challenge the traditional models of decision-making and could foster greater autonomy for interplanetary colonies. At the same time, it will necessitate robust systems of trust and collaboration to ensure that Earth and its colonies maintain strong ties despite the physical separation. Economically, interplanetary travel could mark the beginning of a new era of resource sharing and expansion. Establishing industries on other planets, whether mining rare materials, constructing habitats, or producing energy, could create unprecedented economic opportunities. These ventures might shift the global economy from being Earth-centric to a truly interplanetary system. However, with these opportunities come ethical dilemmas about ownership and exploitation. Who has the right to claim resources on another planet? How can we ensure that the benefits of space exploration are distributed equitably among all of humanity? Another fascinating aspect is the cultural evolution that will inevitably occur on other planets. Over time, settlers on Mars, for example, might develop unique customs, art forms, and traditions that reflect their new environment and experiences. These cultural adaptations will provide a rich tapestry of human diversity, showcasing how life beyond Earth fosters creativity and innovation. Interplanetary travel might even give rise to entirely new philosophies or spiritual perspectives as humans grapple with the profound realities of living among the stars. Education will also play a crucial role in preparing future generations for life beyond Earth. Schools and institutions will need to equip students with skills relevant to space travel, such as planetary engineering, space medicine, and astrobiology. At the same time, fostering a deep sense of responsibility and ethics will be essential to ensure that humanity approaches interplanetary exploration with care and foresight. Looking even further ahead, the potential for interplanetary travel to unite humanity cannot be overstated. As we face the monumental challenges of establishing life on other planets, the divisions that once separated us may begin to fade. The realization that we are all part of a single species, sharing a fragile existence in an unimaginably vast universe, could inspire greater cooperation and empathy on a global scale. In the end, interplanetary travel is more than a technological achievement. It is a profound statement of hope and ambition. It represents our willingness to confront the unknown and embrace the infinite possibilities of the cosmos. As we take our first steps onto other planets, we are not only expanding our physical boundaries, but also redefining what it means to be human. This journey is not just about survival or exploration. It is about discovering new ways of living, thinking, and thriving as we embark on the greatest adventure of all, our transition from an earthbound species to one that calls the universe its home. The ultimate vision of interplanetary travel extends beyond simply reaching and inhabiting nearby planets. It encompasses the creation of a sustainable, thriving interplanetary civilization. This civilization will not only adapt to the challenges of living in diverse environments, but also embrace the opportunities they present, transforming them into catalysts for human growth and innovation. As we move closer to this vision, the importance of developing universal principles and ethics for interplanetary life cannot be overstated. A framework for peaceful coexistence, equitable resource distribution, and the protection of extraterrestrial ecosystems will be crucial. These principles could form the foundation of a shared interplanetary culture, ensuring that exploration and expansion are guided by a collective sense of responsibility and stewardship. Technological advancements will continue to be at the heart of this endeavor. Innovations in propulsion systems, such as nuclear fusion and antimatter engines, could significantly reduce travel times, making the solar system more accessible. Meanwhile, breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, robotics, and biotechnology will enhance our ability to survive and thrive in harsh environments. For example, genetically modified crops tailored to Martian soil or human adaptations to low-gravity conditions could become essential components of interplanetary life. Beyond technology, the arts and humanities will play an equally vital role in shaping the interplanetary experience. Music, literature, visual arts, and storytelling will help bridge the gap between planets, preserving human connection and fostering a shared sense of identity. These creative expressions will not only document the journey, but also inspire future generations to continue exploring. The psychological and social aspects of interplanetary living will require ongoing attention. Communities on other planets will face unique pressures, such as extreme isolation, limited resources, and the need for constant adaptability. Building strong, resilient societies will depend on fostering collaboration, empathy, and mutual support among settlers. Virtual reality and advanced communication technologies could help bridge the emotional distance between planets, keeping people connected to their roots on Earth while forging new bonds in extraterrestrial communities. Looking even further into the future, the natural progression of interplanetary travel could lead humanity to explore beyond our solar system. The discovery of potentially habitable exoplanets has already opened the door to the possibility of interstellar travel. While the challenges of reaching these distant worlds are immense, the prospect of expanding our presence to other star systems is a testament to humanity's boundless curiosity and determination. Interplanetary travel will also have a profound impact on Earth's own development. The technologies, strategies, and philosophies born out of the necessity to survive in space will find applications here, improving life on our home planet. From sustainable energy solutions to advanced medical treatments, the benefits of interplanetary exploration will ripple back to Earth, addressing some of our most pressing challenges. In the grand narrative of humanity, interplanetary travel marks a pivotal chapter, a moment when we begin to transcend the boundaries of our origin and step into a new era of existence. It is a journey filled with risks and uncertainties, but also unmatched opportunities for discovery, unity, and transformation. As we venture into the cosmos, we carry with us the hopes, dreams, and wisdom of countless generations. We stand not only as explorers of space, but as stewards of a shared future, striving to ensure that our steps among the stars reflect the best of who we are. With every milestone achieved, we move closer to realizing a vision that once seemed unimaginable, a humanity no longer confined to one world, but thriving across the vast expanse of the universe. As humanity progresses toward establishing a permanent presence among the stars, the very fabric of our existence will undergo profound changes. Life on Earth, while still central to our identity, will become just one piece of a much larger story, a story that spans worlds and redefines what it means to call a place home. The first generation of interplanetary settlers will likely face unprecedented challenges, yet their perseverance will set the stage for future success. These pioneers will embody the essence of exploration, adapting to environments that demand ingenuity and resilience. On Mars, for example, settlers will live in habitats designed to shield them from cosmic radiation and extreme temperatures while relying on advanced technology to generate water, oxygen, and food. Over time, these initial efforts could evolve into sprawling communities, complete with schools, research centers, and industries uniquely tailored to the Martian environment. Interplanetary commerce will also emerge as a vital component of this new chapter in human history. Trade routes between planets may develop, driven by the exchange of resources, knowledge, and goods. Mars might export its abundant iron oxide, while Earth provides advanced manufacturing technologies or cultural artifacts. The Moon, with its proximity and rich deposits of helium-3, could become a hub for energy production and transport, serving as a gateway to the rest of the solar system. As these interplanetary societies grow, they will inevitably diverge from Earth in culture, language, and governance. Martian settlers, for instance, might adopt a more collective approach to decision-making due to the harsh conditions and reliance on communal resources. Over generations, these differences could lead to the emergence of entirely new civilizations, each shaped by the unique challenges and opportunities of their environment. This diversity will enrich the human experience, offering new perspectives on life, cooperation, and survival. Education and innovation will remain central to the success of interplanetary life. Children born on Mars or the Moon will grow up in environments vastly different from Earth, requiring new approaches to learning. Their curriculum might include planetary engineering, space navigation, and the history of humanity's journey to the stars. These children will become the architects of humanity's future in space, pushing the boundaries of science, art, and philosophy. The ethical dimensions of interplanetary expansion will also evolve as we encounter new frontiers. If we discover microbial life on another planet, how will we prioritize its protection? What rights will such life forms have, if any? Similarly, as we begin to terraform planets to make them more habitable, we must carefully consider the balance between creating opportunities for human survival and preserving the natural state of these worlds. Looking to the distant future, interplanetary travel could unlock the ultimate goal of becoming an interstellar species. Advances in propulsion technology, such as warp drives or generational starships, might enable us to explore exoplanets in neighboring star systems. The discovery of habitable worlds beyond our solar system would not only expand our horizons, but also deepen our understanding of the universe and our place within it. This transition from an earthbound species to an interstellar civilization is not merely a technical achievement. It is a philosophical transformation. It challenges us to think beyond the immediate concerns of survival and to embrace a broader vision of human potential. The journey into space is a journey into the unknown, but it is also a journey inward, a quest to discover the limits of our creativity, resilience, and ability to work together. As we stand on the threshold of this new era, we are reminded that interplanetary travel is not just about escaping the confines of Earth. It is about expanding the possibilities of existence itself. Each step we take into the cosmos, whether planting a flag on Mars, building a habitat on an asteroid, or one day traveling to distant stars, is a testament to the enduring human spirit. It is proof that we are not defined by our limitations, but by our dreams, our courage, and our capacity to reach for the infinite. As humanity ventures further into the cosmos, the act of interplanetary travel will redefine the very concept of human legacy. No longer confined to the boundaries of Earth, our species will leave lasting imprints across multiple worlds, creating a living history that spans the solar system, and perhaps one day, the galaxy. These imprints will not only be physical, such as the habitats and infrastructures we build, but also intellectual and cultural, representing the values, knowledge, and creativity that drive us forward. One of the most remarkable outcomes of interplanetary travel will be its impact on how we understand ourselves as a species. As we adapt to the unique environments of other planets, the physical and biological evolution of humanity may accelerate. Generations born on Mars, for instance, might develop physiological differences due to the planet's lower gravity, thinner atmosphere, and higher radiation levels. Over time, these changes could lead to the emergence of distinct human adaptations, marking a new chapter in our evolutionary story. This biological divergence will be mirrored by societal and cultural evolution. Interplanetary communities will form their own traditions, rituals, and identities, shaped by their environments and the challenges they face. Music, art, and storytelling will reflect the experiences of living under alien skies, creating a tapestry of interplanetary cultures that both connect and distinguish human settlements. The phrase humanity will take on a broader meaning. encompassing not just life on Earth, but an interconnected civilization spread across multiple worlds. Interplanetary travel also offers an unprecedented opportunity for scientific discovery. By establishing a presence on planets like Mars, we could directly study the history of the solar system and potentially uncover evidence of past or present extraterrestrial life. These findings would profoundly alter our understanding of biology and the origins of life, raising questions about humanity's uniqueness and our role in the broader cosmos. On a practical level, the technologies developed for interplanetary travel will continue to benefit life on Earth. Advances in sustainable energy, recycling, and medical treatments will emerge from the necessity of surviving in extreme environments. For instance, efficient water recycling systems designed for space missions could help address water scarcity on Earth, while breakthroughs in energy storage could accelerate the global transition to renewable energy sources. Looking even further ahead, the collaboration required for interplanetary travel might foster a deeper sense of global unity. The collective effort to explore and settle other planets transcends national borders and political divisions, reminding us of our shared humanity. The first human to set foot on Mars will not represent a single country, but rather all of humankind, carrying with them the dreams and aspirations of an entire planet. The challenges of interplanetary travel, however, will remain significant. As we expand into space, we must address issues such as resource competition, environmental stewardship, and the ethical implications of our actions. Will humanity approach new worlds as conquerors, exploiting their resources without regard for their integrity, or as caretakers, balancing exploration with preservation? The decisions we make in this era will define not only the future of interplanetary travel, but also the moral legacy of our species. Ultimately, interplanetary travel is a testament to the boundless potential of human curiosity and ingenuity. It represents our collective desire to understand the universe, to push beyond the limits of the known, and to ensure the survival and flourishing of our species. Each step we take into the cosmos brings us closer to a future where humanity is not confined to a single planet, but thrives across the stars. This journey is both a challenge and an invitation, an opportunity to unite as a species, to explore the mysteries of the cosmos, and to redefine what it means to be human. As we gaze at the distant worlds that await us, we are reminded that the story of interplanetary travel is not just about leaving Earth. It is about expanding the horizons of possibility and embracing the infinite potential of the human spirit. As humanity continues its journey into the vast reaches of the cosmos, the evolution of interplanetary travel will fundamentally transform our understanding of progress, survival, and interconnectedness. Each new milestone, whether it is the first sustainable colony, the discovery of alien biosignatures, or the development of advanced propulsion technologies, will serve as a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the human species. A critical component of interplanetary success lies in fostering cooperation between Earth-based societies and off-world colonies. Communication delays between planets will necessitate a new kind of diplomacy, one that emphasizes autonomy while maintaining mutual respect and shared goals. The relationship between Earth and its colonies will evolve into a dynamic exchange of knowledge, culture, and resources, with each contributing uniquely to humanity's collective advancement. As interplanetary societies grow, the concept of identity will also expand, no longer defined solely by earthly nations or regions. Individuals may begin to identify with their homeworlds, A Martian might feel a distinct sense of pride in their planet's achievements and challenges, just as someone from Earth does today. This shift could foster a greater appreciation for diversity, as humanity learns to celebrate its differences while uniting under a shared interplanetary vision. In addition to fostering unity, interplanetary travel will likely reshape how we perceive time and distance. Days and years, tied to the rotation and revolution of Earth, may become less relevant on other planets. Martian settlers, for instance, will adapt to a Sol, Mars's day, which is slightly longer than Earth's. Over time, these adaptations could lead to entirely new ways of measuring and experiencing time, further distinguishing interplanetary cultures. Looking beyond our solar system, interplanetary travel serves as a stepping stone toward the ultimate frontier, interstellar exploration. Reaching other star systems will require revolutionary advancements in technology, such as faster-than-light travel or generation ships capable of sustaining life over centuries. The discovery of habitable exoplanets offers tantalizing possibilities for expanding humanity's reach, and with it, our understanding of the universe's vast complexity. The philosophical implications of interplanetary and interstellar travel are profound. If humanity succeeds in spreading across the cosmos, our view of existence will fundamentally change. Questions about the origins of life, the nature of consciousness, and the possibility of intelligent civilizations will take on new urgency. Discovering life beyond Earth, whether microbial or intelligent, would forever alter our understanding of humanity's place in the universe, offering answers to questions that have shaped our species for millennia. Amid the excitement of exploration, the challenges of sustainability and ethics will remain paramount. How can we ensure that interplanetary expansion does not repeat the mistakes of Earth, such as environmental degradation, inequality, and conflict? This era offers a unique opportunity to create a better model for civilization, one that prioritizes harmony with nature, equitable resource distribution, and respect for all forms of life. In the grand arc of human history, interplanetary travel represents not just a technological leap, but a profound reimagining of our destiny. It is the next chapter in a story of exploration that began when early humans looked to the horizon and wondered what lay beyond. Now, as we look to the stars, we are driven by the same spirit of curiosity and determination that has always propelled us forward. Each new achievement will bring us closer to answering the most profound questions about life, the universe, and ourselves. Interplanetary travel is more than an adventure. It is a declaration of humanity's enduring belief in progress and possibility. As we step into the cosmos, we carry with us the hopes and dreams of countless generations, boldly charting a path toward a future where humanity thrives among the stars, united by a shared vision of discovery and boundless potential. As humanity extends its reach into the cosmos, the essence of interplanetary travel will transform from an ambitious dream into a defining aspect of our species' existence. Each step forward will not only challenge our technological prowess, but also redefine how we think about life, community, and survival. With every new frontier we explore, we will bring Earth's legacy with us, while simultaneously crafting new stories, cultures, and identities among the stars. One of the most fascinating prospects of interplanetary travel is its potential to foster a new era of human adaptability. Life on other planets will require constant innovation in areas such as biology, engineering, and resource management. Advances in genetic engineering, for example, could enable humans to better withstand radiation, adapt to reduced gravity, or survive in atmospheres vastly different from Earth's. These adaptations, while practical, may also signal the beginning of humanity's physical divergence, as settlers on Mars, the Moon, or other celestial bodies evolve to meet the demands of their environments. The experience of living on multiple planets will fundamentally reshape human relationships and our understanding of distance. Communication delays, sometimes spanning minutes or hours, will make instant responses impossible, forcing societies to rely on asynchronous decision-making and trust. This may encourage the development of decentralized governance models, where colonies operate with significant autonomy while maintaining a shared commitment to humanity's collective goals. These shifts in governance will also raise profound questions about citizenship and identity. Will individuals consider themselves citizens of Earth, of their colony, or of the human species as a whole? Will interplanetary societies require entirely new systems of law, economics, and representation, designed to accommodate the realities of life across vast distances? These challenges are opportunities to imagine new ways of organizing societies, free from many of the constraints and conflicts that have defined life on Earth. The cultural and artistic evolution of interplanetary communities will be equally significant. Just as different regions on Earth have developed unique traditions and expressions, each planetary settlement will cultivate its own identity, shaped by the environment and shared experiences of its inhabitants. Music, literature, and art inspired by the Martian landscape, for instance, might evoke themes of isolation, resilience, and wonder, while life on the Moon could inspire works centered on proximity to Earth and the duality of connection and independence. As humanity continues to push outward, the possibility of encountering extraterrestrial life will loom ever larger. Even the discovery of microbial life on Mars, Europa, or another world would have profound implications for biology, philosophy, and theology. It would challenge long-held assumptions about the uniqueness of life and potentially provide insights into the conditions necessary for its emergence. Should we encounter intelligent life, the questions of communication, ethics, and coexistence will redefine our understanding of civilization itself. The expansion of humanity into space will also serve as a catalyst for addressing the challenges we face on Earth. The innovations developed to support interplanetary travel, such as sustainable energy systems, closed-loop ecosystems, and advanced recycling technologies, will have direct applications to solving problems like climate change, resource scarcity, and waste management. In this way, interplanetary travel is not a departure from Earth, but a pathway to preserving and enhancing life on our home planet. In the long term, the trajectory of interplanetary travel points toward humanity's ultimate destiny as a spacefaring civilization. Colonizing multiple planets within the solar system will lay the groundwork for interstellar exploration, where we might one day reach other star systems and habitable exoplanets. The thought of humans living light years away from Earth, perhaps in entirely different star systems, expands the boundaries of what we consider possible, inviting us to imagine futures far beyond our current horizon. This vision of humanity thriving across the cosmos is not merely about survival or exploration. It is a reflection of our deepest values: curiosity, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of the unknown. It is a testament to our ability to overcome challenges and to transform dreams into reality. As we step boldly into the vastness of space, we carry with us not just the legacy of Earth, but the promise of what humanity can become: a species united by its capacity to reach beyond the stars and create a future filled with infinite possibilities. As humanity continues its odyssey into the cosmos, interplanetary travel will mark the beginning of a new chapter in our evolutionary narrative. It is a journey not just of physical exploration, but also of profound transformation of our societies, our understanding of life, and our very identity as a species. Each milestone will represent a step closer to becoming not just inhabitants of Earth, but true citizens of the universe. One of the most significant transformations will come from the ways we redefine survival. On Earth, our ecosystems have evolved over billions of years to sustain life. In space and on other planets, survival will depend on our ability to create entirely new ecosystems, using a combination of advanced technology and biological ingenuity. These self-contained systems will recycle water, air, and nutrients, and may even use artificial intelligence to maintain balance and efficiency. Such technologies will not only sustain life in space, but also serve as models for creating sustainable solutions on Earth, helping us address critical issues like resource depletion and environmental degradation. The expansion of human settlements beyond Earth will also revolutionize how we perceive relationships, both with each other and with our environment. Living in isolated, high-stakes conditions on other planets will require unprecedented levels of cooperation, empathy, and problem-solving. These experiences may foster a stronger sense of community and shared purpose, reminding us that survival and success depend on unity rather than division. Interplanetary travel will also inspire a reevaluation of human culture. As settlements grow, the stories, art, and traditions that emerge will be deeply influenced by the unique conditions of each new world. The Martian experience, for instance, may inspire literature and art that reflect themes of resilience, adaptation, and the beauty of the red planet's desolate landscapes. Meanwhile, the Moon's settlers might create works that explore the closeness yet profound separation from Earth, reflecting on their identity as both Earthlings and lunar pioneers. Moreover, interplanetary travel will continue to challenge the boundaries of science and philosophy. Questions about the origins of life, the conditions necessary for its existence, and the possibility of intelligent life elsewhere in the universe will take on new urgency. Each discovery, whether microbial, life beneath the icy surface of Europa, or complex organic molecules in the clouds of Titan, will push us to reconsider our place in the cosmos and the uniqueness of our existence. On a more practical level, the continued expansion of interplanetary travel will drive technological progress at an unprecedented pace. New propulsion methods, such as fusion or antimatter drives, could make travel to distant planets and even neighboring star systems feasible. Innovations in material science, robotics, and energy generation will not only benefit space exploration, but also revolutionize industries on Earth. For example, lightweight yet durable materials developed for spacecraft could transform construction, while breakthroughs in energy storage might finally make renewable energy a universal reality. As humanity ventures further, the need for global collaboration will become ever more pressing. Space is not the domain of a single nation or corporation. It is a shared frontier that belongs to all of humanity. The successful exploration and colonization of other planets will require nations to work together, pooling resources, knowledge, and expertise. This collaboration could foster a new era of global unity, reminding us of our shared destiny as a species. In the distant future, The trajectory of interplanetary travel points toward interstellar exploration. The dream of reaching other star systems and discovering new Earth-like planets will drive humanity to innovate beyond anything we can currently imagine. While such endeavors may take centuries or even millennia, they represent the ultimate expression of our curiosity and ambition. Each new world we reach will expand the boundaries of human existence, creating opportunities to learn, grow, and thrive in ways we have yet to conceive. In this grand journey, interplanetary travel is not just a means of survival. It is a celebration of humanity's boundless potential. It reflects our enduring desire to explore, to create, and to push beyond the limits of the known. As we leave footprints on new worlds and send our voices into the void, we affirm that the story of humanity is far from over. It is only just beginning. Together, as one species united by a shared dream, we will write the next chapter of that story among the stars, carrying the light of Earth to the furthest reaches of the cosmos. As the interplanetary age unfolds, the milestones we achieve will reflect humanity's growing ability to harmonize technology, ethics, and creativity in the face of unprecedented challenges. Each new settlement or discovery will deepen our understanding of the universe and amplify our awareness of the interconnectedness of all life. This journey into space is not just an expansion of our physical reach, but an evolution of our collective consciousness. The development of interplanetary civilizations will inevitably force us to rethink the boundaries of human culture. Diverse environments across the solar system will lead to the emergence of planetary identities, distinct ways of life shaped by the physical and social conditions of each world. Martians may adopt communal values due to the necessity of interdependence in their harsh environment, while lunar settlers might develop traditions inspired by their unique position between Earth and the stars. These cultures will enrich humanity's collective identity, creating a tapestry of traditions that reflect our adaptability and ingenuity. Education will also transform in the interplanetary age. Future generations will grow up in environments vastly different from Earth, requiring new methods of learning that integrate planetary science, sustainable living, and space exploration into everyday life. Schools on Mars might teach children how to manage life support systems, grow crops in controlled environments, and navigate the Martian landscape. Meanwhile, virtual reality could connect students across planets, allowing them to share experiences and perspectives despite the vast distances. The technological advancements born from interplanetary travel will ripple back to Earth, solving problems that have long challenged humanity. Closed-loop life support systems designed for space could help cities on Earth recycle water and waste more efficiently. Advanced solar power systems developed for colonies on the Moon or Mars could revolutionize clean energy production. Even medicine will benefit, as innovations aimed at protecting astronauts from radiation and microgravity lead to breakthroughs in healthcare. Beyond practicality, interplanetary travel will reshape our relationship with Earth itself. Seeing our home planet from the vantage point of space has already inspired astronauts to experience the overview effect, a profound sense of unity and responsibility for our planet. As more people venture into space, this perspective will become more widespread, fostering a deeper commitment to protecting Earth's ecosystems and addressing global challenges like climate change. The possibility of encountering extraterrestrial life adds another layer of significance to interplanetary exploration. Whether we find microbial organisms beneath the icy crust of Europa or detect signs of intelligent civilizations in distant star systems, such discoveries will redefine humanity's understanding of life's diversity and resilience. These encounters will raise profound ethical questions about how we engage with other forms of life and what responsibilities we bear as explorers of the cosmos. Looking even further ahead, the leap from interplanetary travel to interstellar exploration will be humanity's ultimate test of perseverance and vision. Reaching the nearest stars may require revolutionary technologies, such as warp drives or generational starships that carry entire communities across the vast distances between solar systems. These endeavors will demand the highest levels of collaboration and innovation, uniting humanity around a common goal that transcends national and cultural boundaries. In this grand narrative, interplanetary travel is more than a scientific or technological pursuit. It is a reflection of the human spirit. It embodies our enduring desire to push boundaries, to ask questions, and to seek meaning in the unknown. It challenges us to imagine futures that are not limited by our current circumstances, but inspired by our collective potential. As we step boldly into the cosmos, we are not only exploring new worlds, but also redefining what it means to be human. The story of interplanetary travel is a story of resilience, curiosity, and hope. It is a testament to our ability to dream beyond the stars and to turn those dreams into reality. With every rocket launched and every milestone achieved, we are proving that humanity's destiny is not confined to Earth, but written across the infinite expanse of the universe. This is not just the next chapter of our history. It is the beginning of a new era, one that holds the promise of infinite discovery and endless possibility. As humanity continues its venture into the cosmos, the implications of interplanetary travel will reverberate across every aspect of our existence, shaping our future in ways we can only begin to imagine. The expansion of human life to other planets will mark the emergence of a multi-planetary civilization, fundamentally altering our relationship with the universe, with each other, and with our planet of origin. One of the most profound transformations will occur in how we view our shared humanity. The challenges of surviving on other planets will emphasize cooperation over conflict, unity over division. In the hostile environments of Mars or the outer moons, the divisions of race, nationality, and ideology will become trivial compared to the shared goal of survival. This perspective, born from necessity, could influence how we address conflicts on Earth, fostering a greater sense of global solidarity. Interplanetary travel will also challenge and expand our concept of home. For thousands of years, Earth has been humanity's sole cradle, the source of all our history, culture, and identity. As humans establish permanent colonies on Mars, the Moon, and beyond, our understanding of home will shift. For the first time, people will be born, live, and die on worlds other than Earth. These new generations will see their home planet as part of a broader cosmic network, redefining what it means to belong. The transition to a multi-planetary existence will also force humanity to confront its environmental impact on a universal scale. On Earth, we have often exploited resources without fully considering the long-term consequences. On other planets, where resources will be finite and ecosystems non-existent, the need for sustainability will be absolute. This shift in perspective could drive the development of technologies and practices that not only support life on other planets, but also help repair the damage done to Earth. Cultural and artistic expression will flourish in this new age. drawing inspiration from the alien landscapes and unique experiences of interplanetary life. Writers may craft epics about the first human journeys to Mars. Artists will capture the stark beauty of otherworldly horizons, and musicians will create symphonies inspired by the vastness of space. These creative works will serve as a bridge between planets, connecting people across the solar system through shared stories and emotions. The exploration of other worlds will also deepen our understanding of the universe's mysteries. By studying the geology of Mars, the icy oceans of Europa, or the dense atmospheres of Titan, scientists will uncover clues about the origins of our solar system and the conditions necessary for life. Each discovery will bring us closer to answering fundamental questions. Are we alone in the universe? What is the nature of life itself? And what role does humanity play in the grand tapestry of existence? As humanity becomes a space-faring civilization, ethical considerations will take center stage. How do we balance the need for exploration and survival with the responsibility to preserve the integrity of other planets? Should we terraform Mars, potentially altering its natural state, or strive to live in harmony with its existing conditions? These decisions will reflect not only our technological capabilities, but also our moral values and vision for the future. In the distant future, interplanetary travel will serve as a stepping stone to interstellar exploration, extending humanity's reach to the stars. The prospect of traveling to distant exoplanets, some of which may harbor life, will become a powerful driver of innovation and discovery. As we venture into the unknown, we will carry with us the lessons learned from our first steps beyond Earth, ensuring that our actions reflect wisdom and care. This journey into the cosmos is more than a physical expansion. It is a transformation of our species. It challenges us to grow, to think beyond the immediate, and to imagine futures that transcend the limits of our current understanding. Interplanetary travel is not merely about survival. It is about embracing the infinite possibilities of existence and proving that humanity's potential is as boundless as the universe itself. As we leave our footprints on alien soil and our dreams in the stars, we will write a new chapter in the story of life. A chapter where humanity, united by curiosity and purpose, becomes not just a species of one world, but a citizen of the cosmos. This is our destiny, one shaped by our courage to explore, our drive to innovate, and our unyielding hope for the future. In reaching for the stars, we are ultimately reaching for the best version of ourselves. As the journey into interplanetary life continues, humanity will confront challenges and opportunities that redefine not only survival, but the very essence of what it means to thrive. Each new colony, innovation, and discovery will shape the future of our species, guiding us toward a destiny that extends far beyond the boundaries of Earth. One of the most critical challenges will be building sustainable ecosystems on other planets. Terraforming, a concept long debated in science fiction, may one day become a reality. On Mars, for instance, scientists could work to thicken the atmosphere by releasing trapped carbon dioxide from its surface, creating a greenhouse effect to warm the planet and potentially make it more habitable. Such efforts, however, will require balancing the ethical implications of altering another planet with the practical necessity of ensuring human survival. The act of terraforming will not just be an engineering feat, but a philosophical and moral decision, reflecting humanity's evolving relationship with the cosmos. Meanwhile, advances in biotechnology and artificial intelligence will play a pivotal role in interplanetary life. AI systems will assist in managing complex life support networks, autonomous mining operations, and the logistics of interplanetary trade. In tandem, breakthroughs in biotechnology could allow humans to adapt to the unique conditions of different planets. For example, genetic modifications might enable resistance to cosmic radiation or allow settlers to metabolize limited resources more efficiently. While these innovations hold immense promise, they also raise profound ethical questions about the limits of human enhancement and the nature of identity. Interplanetary travel will also catalyze a new era of economic activity. The extraction of rare minerals from asteroids, the development of solar power satellites, and the production of space-grown materials could transform industries and create new markets. These economic shifts will require international agreements to regulate space resources and ensure equitable distribution, preventing conflicts and fostering cooperation. Space, once viewed as an empty void, will become a vibrant economic frontier, driving growth both on Earth and beyond. In parallel, the development of interplanetary governance will become essential. The challenges of managing societies across vast distances, where communication delays could stretch to tens of minutes, will demand decentralized systems of authority. Colonies on Mars, for instance, may need to operate with a high degree of autonomy, crafting their own laws and regulations to suit their unique circumstances. At the same time, a shared framework of interplanetary governance will be necessary to coordinate efforts, resolve disputes, and maintain unity across the solar system. This balance between independence and collaboration will set the stage for the political evolution of humanity in space. The cultural dimensions of interplanetary life will also flourish in ways we can scarcely imagine today. Settlers will create new traditions, celebrations, and forms of expression that reflect their unique environments and experiences. The arts, in particular, will take on a cosmic perspective, capturing the beauty of alien landscapes, the challenges of isolation, and the triumph of human resilience. These cultural developments will serve not only as a means of connection, but also as a source of inspiration, reminding humanity of its shared journey among the stars. The psychological impact of interplanetary travel will be profound. For settlers living on Mars or the Moon, the vastness of space and the isolation from Earth may evoke both awe and existential reflection. These experiences will challenge humanity to develop new frameworks for mental well-being, community building, and purpose. Virtual reality, immersive storytelling, and innovative communication technologies may help bridge the emotional and physical gaps between planets, fostering a sense of interconnectedness despite the distances. As humanity continues to spread across the solar system, the dream of interstellar travel will grow ever closer. Each new settlement, technological breakthrough, and cultural milestone will bring us one step closer to reaching the stars. While the distances to other star systems are staggering, the vision of exploring exoplanets and discovering entirely new ecosystems will drive the next wave of innovation and exploration. In the end, interplanetary travel is not just a technological or scientific achievement. It is a profound expression of humanity's collective spirit. It represents our innate desire to explore, to create, and to connect. It challenges us to rise above our limitations and imagine a future filled with infinite possibilities. As we venture further into the cosmos, we are not leaving Earth behind, but carrying its legacy with us, ensuring that the story of humanity continues to unfold across the universe. This journey is the ultimate testament to our resilience, curiosity, and capacity for hope. It is a reminder that the stars are not out of reach. They are destinations, beckoning us to dream bigger and reach further. With every step we take into the unknown, we are forging a future where humanity thrives not as a species confined to one planet, but as a civilization of the cosmos, united by the boundless potential of our shared existence. As humanity continues to expand its reach beyond Earth, the reality of becoming a multi-planetary civilization will bring profound changes to our understanding of life, purpose, and progress. Each step we take, whether it's the establishment of self-sustaining Martian cities, mining operations on asteroids, or research outposts on the icy moons of Jupiter, will mark a new era in our evolution. The foundation of successful interplanetary colonies will depend on resilience. Every aspect of life, from physical infrastructure to social systems, must be designed to withstand extreme conditions. Settlers on Mars will face challenges such as unpredictable dust storms, limited natural resources, and prolonged isolation from Earth. Solutions like modular habitats, underground living spaces to shield from radiation, and advanced recycling systems will become standard. Beyond technology, psychological and social resilience will be key. Communities will need to foster trust, shared purpose, and adaptability, ensuring that individuals feel connected and valued despite the challenges of their environment. Innovation will be the lifeblood of interplanetary survival. Space exploration has already driven breakthroughs in materials science, robotics, and energy systems, but the demands of permanent settlement will push these fields further. For instance, 3D printing using local materials, such as Martian regolith, could revolutionize construction. Similarly, artificial intelligence will be indispensable in managing life support systems, analyzing environmental data, and optimizing resource use. These advancements will not only enable life on other planets, but also address critical issues on Earth, such as housing shortages, renewable energy adoption, and resource management. The expansion of humanity into space will demand new approaches to governance. How do we create laws and enforce justice across vast distances? What rights and responsibilities will settlers have? Interplanetary colonies may develop their own legal and economic systems tailored to their unique needs, while overarching frameworks, potentially overseen by international coalitions or organizations, will ensure cooperation and prevent conflict. Additionally, the ethical considerations of space exploration will take center stage. Should humanity prioritize preserving the natural state of other planets, or focus on transforming them for human habitation? These decisions will shape not only our future in space, but also our legacy as stewards of the universe. Life on other planets will inspire a cultural renaissance. New forms of art, music, and storytelling will emerge, shaped by the landscapes and experiences of interplanetary life. A painting inspired by the Martian sunset, a symphony composed to capture the rhythm of life in reduced gravity, or a novel chronicling the first human generations born on the moon. All of these will reflect the expanding human experience. These cultural creations will connect humanity across worlds, serving as a reminder of our shared heritage and the diversity of our collective journey. The exploration of other planets and moons brings us closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone? Missions to Europa, Enceladus, and other celestial bodies with subsurface oceans could reveal microbial life, while studies of exoplanets may one day confirm the existence of alien civilizations. Such discoveries would transform our understanding of biology, evolution, and the uniqueness of Earth, fundamentally altering our perspective on life itself. If we find life elsewhere, it will raise ethical questions about how we interact with it and whether we have the right to interfere with its natural evolution. While the distances between planets in our solar system are vast, the journey to neighboring star systems is exponentially more challenging. Developing propulsion systems capable of approaching the speed of light, such as fusion or antimatter drives, will be essential. Long-term missions might rely on generation ships, where entire communities live and thrive over centuries. These missions will require innovations not only in technology, but also in social and psychological resilience, as crews adapt to life confined in space over many generations. As we expand into the universe, our perspective on humanity's place in the cosmos will evolve. The stars will no longer be distant points of light, but destinations, symbols of what we can achieve when we dare to dream. Each colony, mission, and discovery will remind us that our journey is not just about survival, but about flourishing, about embracing the infinite potential of life and knowledge. Interplanetary travel represents humanity's most ambitious endeavor, one that carries both extraordinary risks and unimaginable rewards. It challenges us to think beyond the confines of our planet, to act with wisdom and foresight, and to recognize our shared destiny as inhabitants of a vast and mysterious universe. In the centuries to come, our descendants may look back on this era as the moment when humanity began its greatest adventure. They will see a species united by its courage to explore, its commitment to innovation, and its belief in the power of collective effort. As we leave our footprints on new worlds and send our voices into the void, we carry with us not only the hopes of today, but the promise of tomorrow, a promise that humanity, driven by its insatiable curiosity and boundless imagination, will thrive among the stars. The journey into interplanetary space will redefine the limits of human possibility, carving a path that not only extends our physical boundaries, but reshapes our understanding of progress and existence. As settlements on Mars, the Moon, and other celestial bodies grow, they will embody humanity's adaptability and ambition, serving as living testaments to our capacity for transformation. In these new worlds, the rhythms of daily life will evolve to meet the demands of unfamiliar environments. Martian settlers will rise to the reddish light of the sun filtered through a thin atmosphere, their days slightly longer than those on Earth. Crops grown in hydroponic farms will provide sustenance, while advanced recycling systems will turn every drop of water and breath of air into precious resources. These routines, though constrained by necessity, will also inspire innovation, as settlers continually refine their methods to ensure not just survival, but comfort and community. The psychological dimensions of interplanetary living will challenge even the most prepared individuals. The isolation of being millions of kilometers from Earth, combined with the weight of responsibility as pioneers, will require new approaches to mental health and social bonding. Virtual reality systems may offer immersive escapes, connecting settlers to loved ones on Earth, or allowing them to experience environments they've left behind. Celebrations, traditions, and shared rituals unique to each colony will play a critical role in fostering unity and resilience, giving settlers a sense of identity and belonging. The growing presence of humanity in space will also demand a fundamental rethinking of our relationship with resources. On Earth, we have often treated natural wealth as limitless, leading to exploitation and imbalance. In space, where every material must be either transported or extracted with great effort, the value of sustainability will become central. Technologies that allow for the mining of asteroids or the extraction of resources from planetary surfaces will need to be balanced with ethical considerations, ensuring that humanity's expansion does not repeat the mistakes of the past. Meanwhile, the arts and sciences will flourish in tandem, each drawing inspiration from the other. The stark beauty of alien landscapes, the challenge of describing life in reduced gravity, and the deep existential reflections that come with gazing at distant Earth will inspire a new wave of creativity. At the same time, the exploration of these new frontiers will generate scientific breakthroughs that transform our understanding of the universe. Studying the geological history of Mars, the icy oceans of Europa, or the methane lakes of Titan will offer insights into the conditions that shaped our solar system, potentially uncovering the secrets of life's origins. As humanity adapts to life across multiple worlds, a profound shift in our collective identity will occur. Earth will remain the cradle of our species, a place of profound cultural and historical significance, but it will no longer define the totality of human existence. People born on Mars or the Moon may see themselves as part of a broader, interconnected civilization while also forging unique identities shaped by their worlds. This evolution will enrich the diversity of human experience, creating new perspectives and ways of living that reflect the adaptability of our species. The possibility of encountering extraterrestrial life, whether microbial organisms on nearby moons or advanced civilizations in distant star systems, adds another layer of complexity to humanity's expansion into space. Such discoveries would force us to grapple with questions of communication, coexistence, and respect for other forms of life. How we respond to these encounters will reflect not only our technological maturity, but also our ethical evolution as a species. The dream of interstellar exploration, of reaching planets orbiting distant stars, remains one of humanity's most ambitious aspirations. Achieving this will require breakthroughs in propulsion systems, life support, and generational planning, as well as a collective commitment to the idea that the journey itself is as important as the destination. Through it all, the essence of interplanetary travel is not just about survival, but about flourishing. It is a celebration of curiosity, innovation, and the indomitable spirit that drives humanity to explore the unknown. As we leave footprints on alien soils, construct habitats under foreign skies, and send our voices into the void, we carry with us the legacy of Earth, a reminder of where we came from and a promise of what we can become. The story of interplanetary travel is ultimately a story of hope. It is a declaration that humanity's potential is as vast as the universe itself, limited only by our imagination and resolve. Each step we take into the cosmos reaffirms our belief that the future holds infinite possibilities, and that together we can build a destiny worthy of the stars. As humanity ventures further into the cosmos, the boundaries of what is possible will continue to expand, reshaping our collective identity and vision for the future. Each step into the void, each new settlement, and each scientific breakthrough will remind us that exploration is deeply embedded in the human spirit, a drive to seek, to learn, and to create. The growth of interplanetary societies will be marked by the emergence of new traditions, shaped by the unique challenges and opportunities of life on distant worlds. Festivals celebrating the arrival of supply missions, rituals honoring the first settlers, or communal gatherings to observe celestial events will all serve to strengthen bonds within these pioneering communities. Over time, these traditions will evolve, becoming the foundation of entirely new cultures that blend Earth's heritage with the experiences of life beyond. As settlements grow, so too will the complexity of their economies. Initially reliant on Earth for resources and expertise, colonies will strive for self-sufficiency, leveraging local materials and advanced manufacturing technologies. The trade networks that emerge, linking planets, moons, and asteroid mining outposts, will form the backbone of an interplanetary economy. This economy will not only support survival but also drive innovation, as colonies exchange ideas, technologies, and cultural artifacts in a dynamic web of interconnection. The political and social structures of interplanetary life will also evolve in unexpected ways. Colonies may adopt governance models that prioritize cooperation and adaptability, reflecting the high stakes of survival in hostile environments. These structures could serve as experiments in alternative forms of governance, providing lessons that influence Earth's political systems. Similarly, the relationships between Earth and its colonies will require careful negotiation, balancing autonomy with collaboration to ensure harmony across the vast distances of space. The challenges of communication across these distances will inspire new technologies and ways of thinking. Delayed transmissions between Earth and Mars, for instance, will necessitate greater reliance on local decision-making and the development of asynchronous communication systems. These technologies may include advanced artificial intelligence capable of bridging gaps, offering solutions, or even representing human perspectives in real-time conversations between worlds. As humanity's presence in space grows, so too will our capacity to understand and protect the environments we encounter. The study of alien landscapes, from the ancient riverbeds of Mars to the methane seas of Titan, will deepen our appreciation for the diversity and resilience of planetary systems. These explorations will also reinforce the importance of preserving Earth's ecosystems, as settlers recognize the fragility of life and the rarity of habitable worlds. The search for life beyond Earth will remain a central focus of interplanetary exploration. Whether through drilling beneath Europa's icy crust, analyzing the organic chemistry of Enceladus's plumes, or studying the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, humanity's quest to answer the question of whether we are alone will push the boundaries of science and technology. Any discovery, whether microbial or intelligent, will have profound implications for our understanding of life's origins and our place in the cosmos. In the distant future, humanity's interplanetary journey will serve as the foundation for interstellar exploration. Reaching other star systems, with their diverse exoplanets and potential for life, will require not only technological advancements, but also a willingness to embrace the unknown on a scale unprecedented in human history. The courage to embark on multi-generational missions, to leave behind the familiar for the promise of discovery, will define the next phase of our evolution as a species. It will remind us that our greatest achievements come not from what we possess, but from what we imagine and create together. As we reach for the stars, we carry with us the essence of humanity, our curiosity, our resilience, and our ability to find meaning and purpose even in the most challenging circumstances. The legacy of interplanetary travel will be written not just in the places we explore, but in the ways we grow and adapt. It will be a testament to the power of collective effort and the boundless potential of the human spirit. As we gaze at the night sky, no longer as distant observers, but as active participants in the cosmic story, We will know that the universe is not just a frontier to be explored. It is a home waiting to be discovered, shared, and cherished for generations to come. Interplanetary travel is not merely a journey through space. It is a profound evolution of humanity's purpose, identity, and potential. As we step beyond the boundaries of Earth, we are not just exploring new worlds. We are reshaping the very fabric of our existence. This endeavor is a testament to our resilience, curiosity, and capacity for growth, proving that humanity's destiny lies not in limitations, but in infinite possibilities. The stars call us to unite, to innovate, and to embrace a future where life flourishes across the cosmos. This is the beginning of a story that will echo through generations, reminding us that the universe is not just a vast unknown, but a canvas for human hope, courage, and creativity. Stay tuned for more fascinating content. Subscribe to the channel and join the conversation about our future among the stars.